everyone, my name is Bhoomi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all some skincare, hair care, body care routine. Now I have been following this routine since a couple of years now and it is my most favorite and simple routine. I like to do this routine mostly on the weekends, and since festive season is around the corner, I thought this is the best time to share it with you all. Now of course, I do keep on changing and upgrading few things depending upon the situation, availability of products and the things I have at my home. So yes, without wasting any further time, let's just get started with the video. First, let's talk about our hair. For nourishing hair treatment, mix coconut oil and almond oil. Coconut oil moisturizes and strengthens hair, while almond oil adds shine and prevents split ends. Simply combine equal parts of each oil, warm it up slightly, and massage into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours or overnight for deep conditioning. Use this treatment once a week for best results. This mixture helps improve hair texture, promotes healthy growth, and reduces frizz. After oiling, it is time for shower. Use a mild shampoo to wash out the oil, which will keep your hair getting stripped off of its natural oils. Follow up with the conditioner and post it. Apply the hair serum to add extra shine and protect against the damage. Avoid hot water as it can dry out your hair. Use lukewarm water instead. This routine helps maintain the moisture in your hair and keeps it looking shiny and healthy. Next up is face shaving. This can help exfoliate dead skin cells and make your skin super smooth. Use a facial razor designed for women and gently shave into downward strokes. Be sure to prep your skin with a moisturizer or a shaving cream to prevent irritation. Here I am using aloe vera gel to protect my skin. Next up is nose strips. You can use any nose strips available to you. You can get it either from Nykaa, Amazon or any nearest grocery store available to you. I have this one from Sanfe. So wet the nose with water or rose water and remove the nose strips from the peel off and just apply it on your nose. Let it dry, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and just peel off. You can see visible results of whiteheads and blackheads coming out. For DIY face pack, mix multani mitti, that is fuller's earth, aloe vera gel and curd. Multani mitti absorbs excess oil, aloe vera soothes, and curd provides lactic acid for gentle exfoliation. Apply this mixture on your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it is dry and then rinse off. Use this mask once a week or twice for fresh, glowing complexion. Now for DIY body scrub, combine turmeric powder, besan, that is gram flour, rice flour and curd. This scrub exfoliates dead skin cells, brightens the skin and helps with pigmentation. Gently massage the mixture onto damp skin into circular motions and then rinse off. Do a patch test just to ensure there is no allergic reaction. This scrub helps to brighten and soothe your skin, while turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. made it till the end of the video, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also share this video with your friends and family and comment down below your favorite skincare or hair care routine. Also let me know in the comment section if you want me to try any of the skincare or other hair care routines. I would definitely love to do it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.